first.
They shoot Dickie in a bar in Lowell.
What?
They shoot Dickie and his brother Mikey in a bar.
Like the real people?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
It's talking
About the movie?
about life.
Does Christian Bale really look like him?
No, but he transforms himself. It's fucking insane.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
I'll have to see it.
What he can do.
Yeah, he does a really good job.
And Ricky's girlfriend went to URI.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. She was probably a slut then.
Is it all over?
Was what all over?
Procedure.
Yeah. You're on anesthesia.
How long does it take?
She told me how long did it take the procedure?
Yeah.
It only took like 20 minutes. They ripped that shit out. Okay. There's a trash can right there. Do you want me to get you something else?
No. Hope I can hold it.
Alright, I'm gonna go get you something else.